In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Shopify to GA4. By the end, your Shopify store will be sending modern GA4 events to Google Analytics through the official Google integration without touching theme code. Start on your Shopify admin home. From the left sidebar, open Apps. This is where we'll add the official Google connector that enables GA4 tracking. In the Apps view, choose All Recommended Apps, then continue to the Shopify App Store. The store may open in a new tab. In the search bar, type Google. You're looking for the official Google app for Shopify, often listed as Google and YouTube. This app is the supported way to connect your store to Google services, including GA4. Open the app page and click Install. You'll see a permissions screen describing what the app can access so it can measure traffic and sales properly. Click Install again to confirm. After install, the app will open inside your Shopify admin. Click Connect Google account and sign into the Google account that owns your analytics property. Approve the requested access so the integration can read your properties and send events. Next, in the app onboarding, choose Online Store as the sales channel you want to connect. This ensures your storefront interactions are tracked. When that's set, return to your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Preferences. Here, look for the Google Analytics section to confirm you're not pasting any legacy Universal Analytics code. The Google app will handle GA4 tracking automatically, so you don't need to add scripts manually. Scroll to the Google and YouTube section within Preferences. Open it, and you'll see a drop-down that lists the Google Analytics properties available in your connected Google account. Select the GA4 property that matches the store. If you manage multiple properties, double-check the name and stream so you connect the right one. Save or confirm any prompts. Once linked, Shopify will start sending standard GA4 events like page view, view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase through the integration. That's the upgrade done. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Give it a little time for data to appear. You can open Google Analytics and check the real-time view to see if your own browsing or a test add to cart shows up. If you don't see data, make sure the correct Google account is connected in the app and that the selected property is the GA4 one you intend to use. You've successfully upgraded your Shopify store to GA4 using the official Google app, setting yourself up for cleaner e-commerce tracking and future-proofed analytics.